All the information presented in this video is for educational purposes only. You can use this information for your trading decisions, but you're solely responsible for your decisions. Hello folks, good morning. Welcome to this video on Tech Investor. Today I wanted to quickly talk about what has happened in the market and which are bullish and which are bearish. Okay, so just first let's talk about SPY. SPY, what happened? Let's look at the daily charts. It has it has retraced, it went to the 2.625 retracement on the Fibs and it has been going up. So where could it go? The one thing I'm seeing here is it didn't touch the bottom of the Ichimoku cloud, but it has been going up. So the max it could go maybe is up to 508 to the top of the cloud, and then it might fall one more time back. So basically, but look at the cloud looks very, very bullish. But definitely what I've seen is over the few years, like always it comes down to the bottom of the cloud. So I would be very, very cautious at 508. Okay. The next one which I want to talk to you about is QQQ. QQQ is more bullish than the SPY because it has gone to the bottom of the cloud and has come up. But the first thing it needs to touch is the 426, and then it needs to cross the EMA cloud at 432.42. If that crosses, then we can see it going to this line, which is 441. So definitely that's a possibility for SPY. So I am in SPY and QQQ calls now. And this could take us to the next level. So the next one which I wanted to talk about is Netflix. Netflix is looking extremely bullish, and this can give you a very, very good returns. You see this right now, it has been pulled down to the bottom of the cloud, and then it has been going up. And look at this, the EMA cloud is like a magnet. It is pulling the price towards this price. So that is at 588. Right now, the price is at 570. I've been playing these calls since 565, and I am in May 10th, 600 calls. So what I'm expecting is, since this has already formed, this is a beautiful retracement. Basically, if you see this, this has gone to the 2.625 again, and then it has gone up. So what I'm expecting is, very soon, this guy is going to make a very fast move to here around 618. But the first targets will be 588, and the second target will be the top of the cloud, which is 600. And then if it crosses that, it could go to 618. Anyway, there's plenty of money to be made. Keep a watch on this. Netflix, then we are talking about Microsoft. Microsoft is reporting this week. It is also having a very, very bullish signal. It has touched the bottom of the cloud, and it has done a very good retracement here. Wait a minute. This is 429.37, 429. Okay. So this is coming here. So we are going here. So look at here, it has formed the 2.625 and it has gone here, but it has not yet crossed the EMA cloud. So, and it has gone to the bottom of the cloud. So definitely the first target could be to the top of the cloud, which is 413. And that means crossing the EMA cloud. Once it crosses that, it could even go to 429 or 437 with the next level. But I would keep my eyes cautious. First, it needs to cross the EMA cloud, which is at 415. Once it crosses that, there is a good potential here. But again, these are like long-term, not for this week. So don't expect for this week, we might see it going up to 415, maybe. But I'm playing like May 10th, 410 calls. So I'm expecting some good moves. So that's one thing. Now, the next one which I want to talk about is Tesla. Tesla is like, for me, it's looking very, very, very bullish. Look at this line, which is at 164, and if it crosses that, it's 173. So these are the lines it could go to. It has been beaten down pretty badly, and I'm thinking it's very, very bullish right now. So it needs to touch this line, which is 154. If it is not touching this before the earnings, it would definitely spring up. Okay, that's what my guess is. So Tesla, I'm very, very bullish, folks. I am in May 20, not the monthly expiry, the week after. I am on the 170 calls, which is very, very cheap for $3. So if it moves, definitely, and the implied volatility for this stock is taking it to 172 this week. I don't think right now it can go down any further before it can go up. So definitely 172 seems to be a target here. And even on the weekly chart, if you look at it, basically you are seeing this 172. That is where I'm looking at. So this 172 seems to be a little bit of a magnet for Tesla before it goes down any further. So I'm in May 24th, May 24th, 170 calls for $3. Hopefully, I make money on this. So the other thing which I wanted to talk about is NVIDIA. NVIDIA has been going up, but I don't think it has a lot of big moves here because it didn't touch the bottom of the cloud. I still expect it to go to the level of 723 or 729. That is the level. So once it hits that level, then we can see it to the top of the cloud. So basically, that's what I'm expecting. Or there is a possibility that it can go to the top of the cloud before it hit, but I doubt it. That's what I'm thinking. Let's see what happens. Then the next one I wanted to talk is Meta. Meta today it has earnings on April 24th, which is tomorrow. You see that it had touched the top of the cloud today at 494.12, and here is where it is having a lot of resistance. So definitely the 2.625 resistance is at 458, and that's coinciding with this line on the weekly chart. And then we are like looking at going down. So will it go to the bottom of the cloud before it goes up? So that's the thinking. So I think I am not playing this. So definitely I wanted to see the bottom of the cloud before it goes up. Okay. So these are the things I wanted to share with you folks. Hope these are valuable to you. That's all I have for you in this video. I'll catch you in the next one.